Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about everybody's favorite McDonald's sandwich, the McChicken in 2024. Is it affordable? We're going to be doing a deep dive into the true cost of the McChicken while simultaneously ignoring its fat, overpriced, and ugly brother, the McCrispy. Now, where I live in Florida, the cost of a McChicken is presently $2.29. And for the sake of math in this video, we're going to ignore taxes since they're just a couple percent. And we're talking about buying a McChicken here. It's not going to add up to anything significant. Now, by using the McRewards app, we can get the cost of a McChicken way down. If you spend $5, you get 20% off. And of course, McDonald's is smart. Two McChickens is not going to cut it. You're going to be 42 cents short. You're going to have to buy three. And that'll total out to $6.87. Take that 20% discount off, and there you have it, $5.50 for three McChickens, which totals out to be about $1.83 per McChicken. Wow, that's savings. You also get 550 rewards points. A McChicken currently can be redeemed for 1,500 rewards points, which means that three orders of three McChickens can give you 1,650 rewards points, which can be redeemed for one McChicken with 150 points left over. That means if you were to make 30 orders of three McChickens, you'd have 16,500 rewards points, which could be redeemed for 11 extra McChickens. Those 30 orders will cost you $165 and net you 101 McChickens, which means that your CPM or cost per McChicken will be $1.63, which is 66 cents cheaper than the McChicken as listed on the menu. Hopefully this video cleared up some of the confusion with buying a McChicken and the cost of a McChicken and just how to buy a McChicken. It's a lot. So if you like the video, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, buy a McChicken, comment, do all that fun stuff. Have a good day.